we are going to Madrid. Bye Barcelona.
Lokal ba yun?
Lokal.
Lokal?
Ha?
Ha?
Sige. Flavor. And I got their chocolate sundae. So we are going to try it out. Ay. Baliw ka po ba? Going to Jollibee. Good morning, guys. It is our last day in Barcelona. Now we're getting ready. Ayan na yung mga gamit namin, guys. Nakahanda na siya. Ayan. Yung mga kalat pa dyan. Nag-aayos na sila. Because aalis na kami in an hour. Hi! Ready na kayong mag-say goodbye sa Barcelona? Bye-bye Barcelona. You know, yun yung mga gamit namin. Time to go to Madrid!
Sunscreen.
Don't forget your sunscreen, guys!
Yeah.
We are here now. Where are we?
We're right now in... Saan ba tayo?
Central Railway nila.
Central. Barcelona Sands Railway Station.
We're going next.
Madrid.
Madrid. Here we
We're
come.
going to eat Jollibee.
Yeah. We are going to eat our breakfast in McDonald's or kung saan yung makikita namin.
I think we should also try McDonald's.
Oh yeah, we should try their
See the
McDonald's.
difference.
Kung ano yung mas masarap.
Yeah.
Girls,
Hi guys. Bakit may sarili mo?
andito na yung mga it girls.
Where is our destination?
Where is our next destination? Madrid. Madrid. Madrid.
Madrid.
Madrid. Let's go.
Ayan.
Parang airport lang.
Yeah, airport din sa like yung local. Local ba yun?
Ay, lokal.
Local.
Ha?
Ha?
Sige, end call na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What? I can't.
We just got here in the train. So, ito yung situation. Kaya nga, napaka-cool. Ganito yung mga foods namin. Dito kami kakain. And we are ready for the 3 hour. Really? Where? Ay, perfect. Ganda yung charge din ako. I got McCrispy shake fries in sour cream flavor, and I got their chocolate sundae. So we are going to try it out. Let's go. And oh, our Precious is here. Hi. Yeah.
An eternity later.
Touchdown, Madrid. We're now in Madrid. We just woke up. Hindi din kami nakapag-retouch, but let's go down. So guys, we just paid for the toilet. May bayad sila, €1. Sa toilet. So guys, we are now booking our taxi going to the Airbnb, but it's already 4:18 p.m. and it's 34 degrees. Mas mainit siya compared to Barcelona. Ate, pwede po magtanong?
Ano yan?
Nawawala po kasi ako eh.
Sino ka ba?
Baliw ka po ba?
Ilalagay kita
Bawal nga kasi mag...
At tinagyan mong beep.
Anyway, look at that. We just got here. And when you enter, ayan, may room agad na sasalubong sa inyo. Then, you go here.
Grabe, di ba floor? Alam mo floor?
And then when you go here, may malaking hallway. And then now, may room din dyan. And then, another room here. Then another room there. And then, toilet with shower. This is our kitchen. And the dining area. Charan! Medyo complicated lang yung pagkaano ng structure, but anyway. So guys, we are here in the metro station because we are going to
It's singilan tayo.
Jollibee. Because we're going to Jollibee. Dun kami mag-dinner because what time is it?
6:59. Beo, 6:59.
So it's 7 p.m. Almost 7 p.m. And ito yung suot namin. Ang init talaga. Ba't ako na ganito?
Kasi nakaganito.
Meron akong top, but like, ayaw ko pa magtanggal kasi maganda pa yung match ng fit ko ngayon.
Thank you agad tayo.
Hi! Where? We're in?
Madrid. The city of... Not love, but city of...
Ano? First stop in Madrid, Jollibee. Let's go. Hi guys. Where are we right now? Jollibee. Are you excited to taste? How about you?
Hi.
Excited ka na matikman yung Jollibee nila dito?
Sim. Tagal ko lang walang kain ng Jollibee. Mga 5 years. Ay, cherries.
Hindi ka umuwi ng Pilipinas? Hindi pa?
Isang beses pa lang.
Medyo 5 years na. Sister Jollibee here. Hi, Mom. Ang dami nagsasabi na ano, iba yung lasa, no?
Nagsasabi na pwede na ako mag-telephone.
Okay, bye. Ay.
Good night.
Actually, na nagsasabi na ano, iba yung lasa talaga dito. Well, maybe, iba talaga.
Well, let's see.
Let's see. Who are we to judge?
Yeah. Pero
Don't judge the book by
It's cover. It's
cover.
pages. No.
It's cover.
Cover.
Ay.
It's cover.
Okay, see you guys later. Hindi na ako mag-vlog kasi kain namin. Ay.
Maganda din i-rate.
Sige,
Kasi
bye-bye.
ganun din naman.
So guys, I got chocolate sundae, Yum Burger, and Jolly Hot Dog. May in-order pa kaming para sa aming lahat, pero umorder lang ako ng extra for myself because I wanna taste this since budget kasi namin lahat yung binili para sa aming lahat. And this one is our own money. Guys, may baliw dito, pasensya na. Tatanungin natin siya, guys. Malaki na yung sundae ko. Hala.
Pag ikaw, hindi tumawag.
Kung sino man po nakakaalala dito, kailangan niya po ng tulong.
Ano oras ba kayo matatapos doon? Ano oras kayo matatapos doon? Ano oras kayo mag-ano?
Rate it.
10 out of 10. Yeah, basketball.
Well, kain na siya. Eat well. So we have Jolly Spaghetti, we have Chicken Joy right here. And they have the peach mango pie. Yum! Yum! Let's eat.
That's kabyartes ko. I'm having it. Ito yung kabyartes? Okay lang.
Well, ako yung sarap. We're gonna eat now. Garlic chicken stove. Ooh, now we're gonna try their Jolly hot dog.
Nakuha bro. Ito yung mismo lasa na ano.
Jolly spaghetti time.
Oo. Bili ako ng ano, yung burger mga 20. Magkano isa? Ay, 3? Hindi, mga dalawa naman pala. Kulang sa sauce. Pero yung sauce,
same.
yung lasa. Normal na ano.
Dapat dinay ko yung burger steak. Gusto ka din bumili ng burger steak kanina eh. Kaso mag-rice na tayo.
Rating.
Rating.
Pinaka-top ko yung spaghetti. Kasi yun yung pinaka-close.
And then, what about the other?
Yum burger. Tapos second yung yum burger. Third yung chicken curry. Hindi siya very juicy.
Yeah.
Top 3. Yun na yung top.
How about you?
Top 3 or rating. Parang same.
Same lang. Top mo din yung spaghetti. Ikaw?
Sa akin din spaghetti.
Top mo yung spaghetti.
Yeah.
Lowest.
Trip ko din ng burger. Mga 8.5. Pinaka-lowest yung Jolly.
Jolly hotdog na.
Same.
Yeah, Jolly hotdog.
It's cool. Yung Jolly hotdog, hindi ko siya trip. Pero yung yum burger, mga 8. Kinulang lang sa sauce.
Ikaw?
Okay na guys!
Sarap.
Rate. Ano yung top mo dyan sa lahat? Top.
Hayaan mo na yung plato ko magsalita.
Okay. Sige, alam ko na.
Simot sarap.
O, ikaw.
For me, mas masarap yung
Ha?
yung chicken joy na may
Spaghetti.
spaghetti.
Yun yung top.
With more gravy. 10 of 10. 10 out of
Sige,
10.
gusto mo. 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Ay, hindi pa sila tapos.
Top 1 ko, chicken.
Chicken. Lowest.
Lowest ko,
Jolly hotdog. Same.
advertise.
10 out of 10 sinubos na yun.
But overall,
9 out of
9 out of 10. Kayo, overall,
7.
7.
6 and a half.
Okay.
8 ako kasi 8.5 na siya.
Ay,
Sa Philippines.
Philippines?
Hindi ko pa na-try sa Philippines.
Okay. First time?
May mix yung na-try ko, kaya hindi ko alam yung mango.
Ang kalat naman kumain. Okay, yun yung kakainin mo. Really?
100 out of 100.
Wala ka lang beach.
Naubos naman ako. Kasi ate. Meron dito. What?
Pictures sa pamilya ko. Sorry ha.
Hindi kasi pinapansin ko.
Sorry. Teka lang po. Ayan, linis na. Solved na ang lahat. Wow. Ay,
Kaya daw pala nag-inis.
hoy, hindi naman ka. You're so mean. Dapat binibidyohan mo siya kanina. Gumagano-gano. O, diba? Siyempre, kung ano talaga sa pag-video ako na naglilito para pakitang tao ako, hindi ko naman ginawa yun.
Galit kasi siya. Saan mo siya dalahin?
Ay, hindi ko nga sinabi yung bad word. Sinabi niya naman. Sabi mo dun. Ay, naikot to. Naikot na bang tuloy sa
Nag 360 ano?
360 panorama. Kita-kita ko ang view.
Alam mo yung ano? Ano yun? Yung 360 panorama.
Wag na.
Erika, alam mo yung katang yun? Carla. Paano ka umira? Wala na, phone mo. Saka na. Bakit ba ang attitude ng mga tao dito?
Yung usapan dun sa kabilang table, mga finances, kung paano tayo mag-save in a month.
Actually, nagme-make sense yung mga pinag-usapan nila.
Tapos tayo
dito, ano to?
Walang kwenta kayo.
Kayo lang. Diyan lang, oh.
Dito lang, dito lang. Dito lang.
Alin niya? Actually, dito lang.
Ikaw lang, Carla. See? You could tell, guys.
Actually, I'm waiting for my For my date. Hindi ako dinagpo sa aking date. So, ngayon. Babalik na ako sa mga kaibigan ko.
So guys, we just finished buying souvenirs and ref magnets. So I bought one cap and some ref magnets for my family.